Welcome to Mango's Unboxing.
Welcome to my
featuring
unboxing.
Aero and Boomer.
Hi.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, quick disclaimer. This is not my suit. This is his.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my suit is in this box.
And he's trying to be cute.
Yeah, he's trying to be cute. So we're live streaming, but we're also filming.
Yeah.
Hello, babe.
Hi.
And my name's Mango the Wabbit. This is my boyfriend Aero and my friend Boomer.
Hello.
Wait, we should also get Walter.
Oh no, we need the bunny.
Walter wanted to be here.
It's okay.
I'll go
Mango. Yeah, you go.
I'll go get Walter. You two distract.
Got
Okay.
it. Y'all better be scared. I'm a furry with scissors.
I'm very scared.
Okay, step the fuck away from.
Give me that.
Put
Use
the
for
freaking
unboxing.
scissors down. Put them down. No.
Put
Ah!
those away
Ah!
from the rabbit.
No!
Yeah, you fucking fuck. Okay.
Okay, set the bunny down.
Be free.
Be free, my child.
Be free, son.
My brother.
Mine? Okay. Y'all ready for this?
Are you ready for this?
I'm
Yeah.
ready for this. I can't even see what's
You
going
waited
on.
this long.
I waited like 50,000 years to open her.
Look at Walter. He's even sniffing the box.
Yeah, he's probably just like, what the hell is in here? It's your mommy.
Big Goro.
Yeah.
Goral, absolute Goral.
Almost got it open.
I can't
Yeah,
see
I
anything
got it.
that's happening on the live stream, but I can see the comments are.
Are going nuts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you see what's happening?
Man of Steel. No. Oh, I almost got it. Here, let me just get it.
What's happening?
Oh, I got it.
Oh! Okay, let's do this.
Fluff. I see fluff.
Oh no!
What? Baby! Look, we see Fluff. Let me do it.
Okay,
Get outta
open,
here.
open it.
Do
Go.
it. Do it. Do
Get
it.
out of here.
Do it.
Oh!
My God.
Oh!
Yeah!
Look at it!
Oh, God. I'm gonna cry right now.
Whoa. Okay, guys, come on camera for the live stream to see.
Baby. Okay.
Look at her!
Oh my God.
She's so beautiful!
She's gorgeous.
Mama, there's more!
Oh,
Look! It's so cute.
Walter's even
There's
just
more!
like, what is this, Walter?
There's more in the box! Open the breast of the
There's a
box!
tail. Put her here.
Put the weave!
Give her the weave.
Give her the
Okay,
weave!
there's more in here.
Hi, Walter.
Keep, what's it? What is it? I can't see.
Plush. Like
Yeah,
a food plush.
Ooh, it's a donut.
Like a donut.
Mine.
Give me the.
And this
Okay,
one
fine, you
says
can have the
CCC
donut.
Suitor. Creepy creation suitor. And it's a little
Hey,
red
baby
coon.
bunny.
It's a coon.
Wow.
This is a tail.
I'm on camera. The live stream can't see you.
This is a tail.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, whoa.
New tail. Walter, get away from the microphone.
He's
And a
probably
bunch
like
of- ooh,
making.
extra.
Hiya! Attack. Ah!
I kill you.
No!
Okay. Oh my God, this is huge.
Hey, bunny, come here.
Here, I'm gonna like get on film. I'm just sitting laughing. So basically, it
Get out of
came
the way,
with this
I
free
don't
tail too.
It's very nice.
It's
God
actually
bless.
so nice.
God bless.
Oh my God.
What else is in
It's
here?
perfect for the collection. So
There's other stuff.
let me just move over here.
What the heck is
The
that?
box is mine.
Ooh, he got a first sample for you.
Yeah, so I can get the bodysuit built.
And
Walter.
you got fabric.
Walter's just
And
by
you got,
the
you got
microphone.
fabric.
Yeah, make sure he's not rubbing against the mic.
He was. Okay, so basically, I love tails. I now have a collection of 28, but now it's at 29.
This is so unholy. Mango, you gotta stop.
I have 29 tails now. I'll fight you.
Don't touch it, it's mine!
It's mine.
No!
Don't touch it, mine.
No!
I'm scared.
It's Walter's.
You guys are freaking out the rabbit.
It's Walter's now.
Hey, buddy. Hello.
Really freaked out by you guys. Yeah. What are you idiots doing?
My box! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Wait,
It feels so weird on the inside.
I want to feel.
It's creepy, Aero. You have the plush in your mouth.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, Walter.
I feel like I'm really off here.
You want the box?
Oh, they look
I want
amazing.
box.
They do.
Ah!
They're so cute. I didn't expect you to be this
Hey,
little.
Walter.
Oh, and her eyes are really nice. Easy to see on her, too. Oh my God. Worth the wait. Definitely worth
It is
the wait.
110. I told you it'd be worth the wait.
Yeah, it was
So
worth
hot
the
in
wait.
this suit.
Okay.
Did you just attack me
So-
with
What
a
was
box?
that noise you just made?
Put it on. Put it on.
I'm trying.
Put it on.
In the
Put
hole.
it on. Put it on. Put it on.
Put
Put
it
it
on.
on. Put it on.
Put it
Oh, there
I
was
want-
water against the mic.
I want to figure out how to put it on without messing up with my makeup, though.
You're gonna mess up your makeup either way.
I know, but I don't want to get my makeup on the fur.
That's just white.
Yeah.
Well, it'd probably be easy to wash off though.
Okay, got it.
Oh!
Oh shit.
Oh!
Oh shit, boys.
Oh boy.
Oh! Yeah! Come on, camera for the live stream. Come see this. Show them.
Okay, am
Look
I
at
on
her,
Oh, if only we could take a screenshot of this.
If only we could. We'll do that. We'll watch it later.
Wait, let's see. Let me look at my camera, or my phone camera. Oh my god.
Do you love her?
I'm so cute.
You love her, don't you?
I do love her.
Okay.
You're
You're like.
Look at Akita just holding the bunny.
Wear her. I'm so. Oh my god, I love her. Dad? Yeah, come in.
Come on in.
Is it looking?
I
Is
can't.
somebody unlocking?
Turn to me. Turn to me. Turn to me.
I got it.
Thank
Come on
you.
in.
Oh my god.
Wiggle the ears. Yay!
We got a special guest.
Special guest.
Mango's dad.
Oh.
I didn't even see him there.
He's been chilling. Come here. Ah.
Real fursuit hours, am I right, boys?
Heck yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Walter's so confused.
Yeah.
Hello.
You're so cute.
Mama, she looks great. You did such a good job on the fur. I love
The
it.
shaving
The
as well.
shaving is so good. Wait, where's the weave?
The weave, it's over there.
Here.
It's getting really hot in this thing.
Yeah, I know.
Bob Ross.
Bob Ross.
Bob Rose.
Oh no.
Bob Rose from the
Help me
heavens.
fix it.
Yeah, I'll take one more.
Let me fix it.
You mean Walter?
Bob Ross.
Can y'all stop messing with my weave? Ah! Walter, help me.
Oh yeah, you look good, girl.
Yeah.
You look adorable.
It's like actually really easy to see out of.
Yeah.
It looks
Yeah.
really good, yeah.
My eyesight just darkens the room.
Like with Cinnamon, I can like barely see out of her, but this is actually really good.
He has like a blind spot right here as well.
Of course he does.
Like on the bottom of the eye.
Whew. Not
Yeah,
bad,
I
though.
know. I've been wearing this longer than you have.
Face me, I want to see the eyes. They look so good.
Yeah, they really well.
Mango, look into my eye.
Look into my eye. Wobble the ears. Wobble the ears.
Is this mine?
What are you guys
Touch
doing?
me. Fox.
The crown.
Hey bitches, thanks for coming to my unboxing.
This has been Mango's suit unboxing, and it looks really cute.
Yeah.
And
Featuring.
her weave will be on soon.
Yeah.
Featuring Akita, whom is under this thing is Aero, and Boomer, who is Boomer,
And
And
Mango.
Walter.
and Walter.
Don't forget
And Walter. of
And my
course.
dad.
And your dad.
A big fluffy hug from the Foxe Drive crew. I hope y'all have a great day, and oh my god, love this thing.
Heck yeah, thanks for coming. Bye.